we bring it into the middle.
It looks easier than it seems.
Well, this time.
I've never tried doing this, but it is quite hard.
And you want to go around this side and back through the middle. You sort of need to wrap it round, pull it through.
I signed up for Well, it's going to be a leaf, so this is the leaf part and then that's the stick. I did a figure of 8 weave. It's easier than it looks, but sometimes it could be harder than it looks.
This is last year's willow where all the leaves are off. And I've got these little jigs with holes in. I'm going to use the small holes in the middle. So we're going to start to make a bulrush to add to the beautiful leaves you've made this morning. I'm going to make a square in the middle. And when we've made the square, we're going to add this stick in the middle of it. Bring it up in the air, make it bend, take it over. Well done. And there you are. We're going to be, you can maybe do this in pairs. We lift one up, over to as close to the stick as we can. And we're going to build up the seed head of a bulrush.